You're recording. I don't even know what to do. Everybody look at it. I got it. And I haven't opened it yet. So let's do that. Okay, I'm excited. I'm gonna cry. Do you remember your first subscriber, your 100th, your 1,000th? Chances are you do. I do. And we know that you'll definitely remember your 100,000th subscriber. Your fans have found you while searching YouTube, learned about you through a friend, or maybe you've shown up as a recommended video. No matter how they came to your channel, your audience stayed and the numbers increased because of you and the community you've built. We're proud to honor you. I might cry a little bit. Sorry. We're proud to honor you. Your impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with a Silver Creator Award. Congratulations. Holy crap!
Hey, Mama.
Is this real life? I did it. Well, that's crazy. Never thought I'd touch one of those. You might need to do that without the flash.
Hmm?
Can you
Oh, yeah.
tell?
Well, it's so mirrored finish too that it sees me.
That's crazy. I'm gonna carry this movie wherever I go. Thank you everybody so much. Kind of doesn't feel like this is real a little bit. It feels so fake. It's crazy. The craziest thing I've ever done in my life. I love you guys. Thank you so much. Everybody wants to hold it.
Oh, it's way more wider. It's big.
Yeah.
Oh, this doesn't feel real.